Welcome to 25 Again. Our goal is to find a youthful, healthy you. We are the leaders in hormone optimization and age management.
If you're like us, you're not satisfied by being told that you are normal for your age. Who wants to feel like a normal 40, 50, 60-year-old? Whether it's how you look, feel, or your overall health, 25 Again is the only program that can fully reset your body to that youthful state.
It works. It's comprehensive, easy, and has proven results. Specialized software tracks your progress on where your levels need to be and where they need to change. This makes it easy and is only available at 25 Again.
Unlike our competitors, we look at everything and we seek optimal levels. This is not only safe, but very effective in reducing inflammation.
Guys, find your muscle, find your sexual power, find your edge, find your zest for life.
Ladies, find the weight loss you've been looking for. Find the energy you've missed. Find your balance, free of hot flashes and night sweats. Find a new, happy you.
Explore our website, take the free hormone survey, and then call us today.
Find yourself.